Step 1. Important is a beautiful image. Step 2. Create a black and white effect. Step 3. Important another image of Frida Aguilar Estrada 43. Again. Frida Aguilar Estrada 43. Again.
Frida Aguilar Estrada
4 2 4 1 2 0 unsplash.jpg. I always fuck up this part. Anyway, just import it, okay? Step 4. I think that's 4 in Spanish. I'm not entirely sure, but who cares? Create hue saturation layer and bring it to the max. Step
4.
Yeah, exactly that one. Select both of them and convert into a smart object. Step 2 plus 3, which is 5. Go to Liquify. Use this weird tornado tool and crush everything. Oh yeah, look at that! Yeah, you can also use this finger and do all this blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah, who cares? Oh my, just use this weird stuff. Okay, whatever, let's just click OK. Okay, and now the most important step ever. Step 6. Are you ready? Go to learnfromfred.com and enroll into my premium Photoshop classes. Did you do it? Huh? Pff, stupid, I lied to you, that was not a mandatory step. Anyway, after a good mix of colors you should have something like that. And if you don't, then please go and mix your colors a little bit more. Step 7, go and change your blending mode to darken. Step 8, dance. Fred? What are you doing? Fred, no. Don't forget you can't dance. Stop making yourself look stupid. No. No! That was a really bad nightmare. Don't forget to remove all the weird things that you don't need. Okay, let's just get over this. Important is this image of a weird cactus. Use the magic wand tool to select only the red parts of the cactus. Basically only this really weird things. I don't know how they are called, but yeah, who cares? And boom chicka boom. Create a duplicate of this. Rotate it like a potato. And voila! Here we go, my dear friend seaters. Look how beautiful this is. Subscribe or I will destroy your Photoshop.